Is your network printer unable to scan to your computer when using the computer name? But it works perfectly when using the IP address. Let's see why. When you configure Scan to Folder, you can enter either your computer's hostname, such as Office PC, or its IP address, like 192.168.1.100. A hostname depends on DNS or NetBIOS name resolution. If your network cannot resolve the computer name, the printer won't know where to send the scanned file, causing the scan to fail or take a long time. An IP address is the computer's exact network location. The printer can connect directly without waiting for name resolution, making scanning faster and more reliable. When the printer uses a host name like Office PC, it doesn't know where the computer is. First, it asks the DNS or NetBIOS service, "Where is OFFI CEPC?" If it gets the correct IP address, the scan works. But if DNS or NetBIOS doesn't respond, the printer can't find the computer, and the scan fails. When you configure the printer with the computer's IP address, such as 192.168.1.100, the printer already knows the exact location of the computer on the network. It connects directly without asking DNS or NetBIOS to translate the computer name. Because there is no extra lookup process, the connection is faster, more stable, and less likely to fail. That's why most IT administrators recommend using a static IP address for Scan to Folder. Now, I'll show you how to replace the hostname with an IP address for Scan to Folder. First, you need to find your computer's IP address. You can do this by opening Command Prompt and typing net interface, IP show addresses. Once you have your computer's IP address, log in to your printer's web interface or settings page. Then, locate the Scan to Folder configuration and replace the hostname, for example, Office PC, with your computer's IP address, for example, 192.168.1.100. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel and stay updated with more IT tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.